So this is the base of my Ariens 10ML60 Ariens snowblower. This is actually a spare that I got, and the reason why it's spare is the friction disc is pretty much down to nothing. But there's the problem machine over there. It's got the same symptoms. You know, basically the friction disc does engage. I can't do it with one hand here, but you know, the friction disc does engage the cams and the sprockets and the chain and everything over here, and I can see the shaft moving, but this doesn't have anything. And when I disassemble it, I'll come all the way off, but there's this little gear here, and from what I can see on the inside of this, there's little ridges. Now I don't know if there's some kind of ratcheting that's supposed to go on over here, or you know, did a pin fall out of here somewhere? I don't see any spots for a hole. I don't have the lock-in differential, so it's not like I can put a pin through anything here, you know. So I'm kind of lost. Any advice?